Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL One S 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings, and now we have to slide a little bit down to the general category. Here we can find the spirit level option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off our leveler. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera preview, and here in the center we can see it. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And as you can see, this is how it works. Of course, when we don't need it, we have to go back to the left corner settings, slide down to the general and tap to the spirit level button from the right to turn it off. So for now in the preview the leveler has gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.